Hi, this is Alan Olson, and I'm often asked the question, should I use a CPA or a tax software when it comes to preparing returns? Now, as a managing partner of a CPA firm, one would think that I would naturally conclude a CPA would be the better approach. And I'm going to say it depends. It may or may not be using a CPA. The question is what you're trying to accomplish. If you simply want to go through the routine of I got a tax refund, I got it under control, I know how to do all this myself, then for you, a tax software is a better approach. The pros of using a tax software, number one, the price. Go down and get a TurboTax at Costco and relatively quickly for a nominal fee, you can completely complete your own return within an hour. Often cases, you got the satisfaction doing it yourself. It helps you also to get organized. The flip side is, well, what's the cons? The cons is the program only works as well as you understand the tax laws. It's not suited for handling complicated tax returns, and filing incorrectly can cause a headache with the IRS. In other words, if you're like estimating on your expense, you have nobody standing between you and the IRS. You put the numbers in there. You better be able to support what you filed. So you got pros and cons to the tax software. Price and time being a primary a pro. The con is make sure you understand the laws and that you're well organized and putting what you put in there you can support. And so now, where does a CPA come in? Why does the CPAs even exist? And I'll tell you, a CPA is not right for everyone. And oftentimes, as a managing partner of GrowCo, I'll have a lot of people come to me and they say, I want to interview you to see if you're the right CPA. And I said, well, that works it's a two-way street. I want to interview you to see if I want you as a client. What I'm interested in when people come to me is, number one, what are their goals? What are their aspirations? If a person says, well, I'm trying to get something done for the cheapest price, I'll say, look, I'm not the right person for you. I have a business model. I have staff that are very capable, but I only have a finite amount of resources and how I allocate time to the staff. So what I'm interested in is I'm interested in working with an individual that has goals for a certain lifestyle. I want to work with an individual that has goals and aspiration of growing their wealth. And I want to work with an individual that often has no time. They're saying, I can't get everything done because I have no more time in the day. And that's where the advantage of a CPA comes in as a business partner, business manager. If you think about the most successful individuals that you know, oftentimes are people that have teams of CPA advisors, the financial advisor, an attorney. And the reason is because these individuals will help add value into creating wealth, into allowing the individual to scale in a larger estate. Their expertise is gained through experience. I have over 1,500 clients. I have the 30 years of experience of dealing with the ultra affluent. I've helped individuals. One of my friends quit his job making $40,000 a year, and he says $40,000 a year, and he says, I want to go start a company. And I said, well, you have no money. Come back and talk to me when you have a business partner. And he did within 2 weeks, proving that his model and his concept was of interest to others. And within 20 months, he had built a multi-million-dollar business, going from a $40,000 W-2 to this model. So those are the types of individuals I'm interested in, that are interested in growing, that have the drive, that have the mindset. Also, as a CPA, you need to connect with your CPA on an emotional level, spiritual level, to see, do you connect with your philosophies of life? and vice versa. CPA should be a friend, client, vice versa. It's important when you're out looking for working with other individuals that they're individuals that you can trust, that you know, and that you like. In turn, the CPA should be able to help you save your time, help you plan more effectively, giving you an accountability, a coach in essence. I always tell clients that said, I'll be on the sidelines as a coach. You're the quarterback carrying the ball. You're the one carrying out the plays. And to have the check and balance of, what if I did it this way? Can I, give me your thoughts and feedback. A CPA should help you in the planning and saving on taxes. They can save you time. They can relieve you stress, handle those complicated returns that quickly become overwhelming. There's a lot of pros to using a CPA if it fits within your goals and your lifestyle. So this is Alan Olson. I'm managing partner of GrowCo, and if you have interest in learning more about our CPA service, give us a call. You can email us at info@growco.com. Visit our website at groco.com. We have a service page that you can look and learn more about the services that we offer. And remember, it's a two-way street with me. You'll interview me, but likewise, I'll interview you to see if we have the right type of mindset and we'll work well together. This is Alan Olson, and wish you well.